It's the grand opening of Zen Ramen in my neighborhood, and I thought I'd give it a try. I ordered the beef short ribs. It comes in 4 pieces and it's a little bit on the sweeter side. I also ordered the deep fried shrimp shumai. This is the first time I've had deep fried shumai and it was really good. And I also ordered the pork and vegetable gyoza, and it's just like your normal gyoza. I was really looking forward to the beef bao sandwich and it did not disappoint. The bun is super soft and the beef is tender, and it reminds me a lot of Korean beef bulgogi if you've ever had that. And it comes with caramelized grilled onions, and the sauce is sweet and salty, and it's like the perfect combo. Definitely get 2 orders of the beef bao sandwiches, and I would even say skip on the beef short ribs and just get the beef bao sandwich. I also tried the pork belly bao sandwich and it was good, but it wasn't as good as the beef bao sandwich. The pork belly was definitely cooked to perfection. It had a sweet glaze along with the mayonnaise and a kick of sriracha in there. And obviously the bun was nice and soft. I ordered their regular Tonkatsu Ramen made with pork bone broth. It came with a half-cooked egg, roasted pork belly, green onions, bamboo shoots, black mushrooms, and also black garlic oil. I did enjoy the texture of the noodles. It was nice and bouncy. I don't like my ramen noodles soft, so I was very happy that they cooked the noodles to perfection. My bowl of ramen came with 3 slices of pork belly, and it was a good ratio compared to the noodles. There's also an option to add in extra egg, extra pork belly, noodles, broth. They even have bean sprouts, corn, a whole bunch of things you can add to your ramen. If you like seafood, then definitely order their seafood ramen. It came with mussel, shrimp, imitation crab meat, calamari, fish cake, corn, bean sprouts, and I believe the broth is a pork bone broth. I will leave the address to Zen Ramen down in the description bar. However, I do have to say the prices here are super affordable. The appetizers range from, I believe, $4 to $9, and the ramen range from $16 to about $18. Definitely affordable for what you're getting, and I'm happy to see that there's a new ramen restaurant in the city.